Looking to cut IT costs, boost uptime, and improve security without expanding your team? Then you're looking for the benefits of remote monitoring and management software. Whether you're an MSP or an IT department, RMM software is a game changer. What is RMM software? Remote Monitoring and Management, or RMM software, empowers IT teams and MSPs to monitor systems 24/7, automate routine maintenance, and resolve issues remotely. It's essential for businesses managing distributed or hybrid IT environments. Let's break down the top 6 benefits of RMM software and why your business needs it today. Number 1, proactive IT maintenance. Traditional IT is reactive, but RMM software flips the script. RMM enables IT teams to track device performance, to identify and resolve issues before they impact operations. RMM tools provide 24/7 monitoring of devices, including network devices and endpoints, such as workstations, servers, and virtual machines. RMM software is designed to detect issues immediately and address them before they become critical problems. Automated remediation. IT pros can design custom scripts to automatically remediate issues by completing actions such as restarting services, removing temporary files, or documenting information including the last login user for future troubleshooting. Scheduled maintenance. Routine tasks such as disk defragmentation, antivirus scans, and update installations can be automated during off hours, minimizing business disruption. The result? Higher system uptime, fewer user complaints, and less IT firefighting. Number 2, enhanced visibility. With remote employees, satellite offices, and cloud systems, today's businesses are spread out. Why remote monitoring and management software? Because juggling multiple tools means less clarity and control. With RMM software, you can support remote users in offices from a centralized dashboard, troubleshoot issues remotely, no on-site visit required, perform batch operations such as regular OS and third-party patching, ensure policy enforcement across all devices. This streamlined visibility and control significantly improves operational efficiency and responsiveness. Number 3, improve security. In today's threat landscape, timely and consistent patching is one of the most effective ways to prevent cyber attacks. RMM software plays a vital role by not only automating patch deployment, but also enforcing a centralized patch management policy, ensuring that all operating systems and applications are updated on schedule and in accordance with set guidelines. By standardizing patch management across all endpoints, organizations can close known vulnerabilities quickly before they are exploited, maintain visibility over patch status across diverse environments, reduce human error through automation and policy compliance tracking, stay in control with granular patch approval settings. Number 4, increased efficiency. As your business grows, so does your IT complexity. RMM software makes it easy to scale IT operations without overwhelming the support team or adding more headcount. Key capabilities include automated scripting and workflows that handle troubleshooting tasks and routine processes, such as system cleanup or end-user onboarding, immediately and consistently. Policy-based management, where IT rules and standards can be defined once and applied across multiple devices or departments. Data-driven decision-making, made possible by tracking, visualizing, and reporting on device issues to focus efforts on areas that make the greatest impact. Number 5, cost savings. RMM software saves money by eliminating inefficiencies. Fewer on-site visits equal reduced travel and downtime costs. Automation of tasks equals less labor costs spent on repetitive efforts. Better asset utilization equals smarter hardware investments. The result is a leaner, more cost-effective IT operation that delivers more value with fewer resources. Number 6, elevated customer satisfaction. Fast, consistent, and visible support leads to happier users, whether they're internal employees or customers. RMM software enables fast resolution times thanks to remote access and scripted fixes, consistent performance and reliability with systems kept up to date and secure, visibility into service health, where clients or stakeholders can see how issues are being addressed through reports or dashboards. This leads to stronger relationships improved trust, and a better overall user experience, whether you're supporting coworkers or external customers. From reducing costs and improving service delivery to strengthening your security posture, the benefits of remote monitoring and management software are undeniable. ConnectWise RMM empowers your team with intelligent automation and unlimited endpoint scale, allowing you to work smarter, respond faster, and deliver better results, no matter how large or complex your IT environment becomes. Visit our website at connectwise.com to watch a demo and see ConnectWise RMM in action.